Hello viewers, welcome to another DIY episode, and today what I'll show you is how to install a rear view camera holder. This is a very simple installation. The reason why I got the rear view camera holder is that it's gonna occupy less space on my handlebar. You just attach this on your rear view mirror, and also it's more secure. If somebody wants to steal your camera holder, they have to use a wrench or a torch bit. Less space ang ma-occupy sa manibela ko because I'm just attaching this one on the rear view, and at the same time secure siya. And I got this one from Amazon. This is manufactured by Shurwo. I'll show the link in the description. And this one is around 15 bucks. I'm sure there's a lot of accessories like this online that you can buy, maybe in eBay or other motorcycle online stores. So let's go to my bike and let's see how it looks. Okay, so here's my bike, and this is where I'm going to install it in this rear view mirror, so left hand side. And to do that, we just have to remove this. There's a bolt underneath here that we need to remove, and it's pretty simple. Just take it out. Okay, it shows, and there you go. There you go. You can do it here. And let's plug it in. There you go. It's as simple as that. Less than 2 minutes, you'll be done. There you go. Okay. And now it's secure. Should be easy. Again, I got the GoPro 7. I only have one GoPro. And let's tighten this on. And there you go. Let's tighten this. And again, there's a ball here that you can move up and down. So for now, we'll just do it like this. One will be the clip for secure attachment. Make sure, or it's over here. Make sure it attaches properly. And there you go. Now you have I have my GoPro now in my handlebar. I used to have the one that is attached here. I don't like it. It's cumbersome. Yeah, that's why I bought this one. So less space occupied, and doesn't connect. Make sure this one is not interfering with your clutch. So ayan na po siya. Kabit na, all secured, tightened up. And it looks good on the bike, as you can see. Hindi siya nag-interfere on anything. This one's good, and this is how it looks at the front when you're riding it. So yeah, it looks nice, and adjustable siya, so it's so easy to adjust this one. Hopefully it will not break with the wind resistance. We'll see. I'll give you an update kung nasira siya while riding this one. But so far so good. So I'll test it out, and if you're interested to buy this one, I'll put the link on the description. And that's it for now, and thank you for watching. See you around.